This tutorial is to show students how to get onto Occupational Outlook information. Basically, the first thing you're going to do is go up to Secondary Network Tools, and this should look similar to the same place you went for your Bridges information, which is exactly the same place. We're going to go to Library Websites, and you'll notice that the third one again is still Bridges. If you go down a little bit further, you'll notice that there's one called Occupational Outlook Information. So go ahead and double click on that. This is a site called the Bureau of Labor Statistics. This is basically a site that is given to us by the United States Department of Labor. The top right corner is the search BLS Gov. You're going to type in engineer. You'll notice that a ton of different engineering jobs will come up. This is a good way to look and see if you don't know what you want to do yet. But you can just double check here and see that there's different jobs, all different types of engineering jobs you can choose from. I'm going to take the time and type in aerospace engineer. You'll notice that engineering from Occupational Outlook Handbook comes up. I'm going to click on that. The nice thing about this website is it'll give you everything that your rubric asks for. First of all is a little summary. Basically, if you're not sure what you want to do yet, it gives you a little summary about the job. The next tab is what they do. Basically, your responsibilities. That's one of your duties that you have to do for your rubric. The work environment is also your working conditions. What do they do on a daily basis? Where do they go? How do they operate? The next tab is how to become one. Your education portion. How do you become an aerospace engineer? This will tell you how education you need to become this. The pay. What does the job pay? The median annual wage is basically the average a aerospace engineer gets paid. Gives you a bunch of different numbers of different places you can work and what salary you get. The job outlook. 8 years from now, 10 years from now, what is this job going to look like? Is there going to be needing more, less? So basically it tells you what the job is going to be in the future. It also gives you a similar occupations tab. If you like this field but aren't quite sure, they'll give you different engineering jobs that are kind of close to this. But this website will correspond well with your rubric and your requirements for your project. The nice thing about this website, if you go to the very bottom, you'll see this suggested citations that are written down here. This is an actual citation you can copy and paste and put into your brochure at the end. This is one of your three, if this is one you use, this will be one of your three sources you can do. You don't have to use Citation Maker. It is already given to you. So if you would just highlight this and copy and paste it into your brochure, you'll have one of your three sources already completed. So basically, this is a great website that will give you a lot of information that your rubric asks for. Again, it's called the Occupational Outlook Handbook. If you have any questions, please let me know, and good luck.